So I'll be writing about the header files. These header files are nothing but the files which contain the classes which we are going to use in our program. For example, Conio.h, this is for console applications. Console input and output. And stdio.h, standard input and output. Now, to use these files in our program, we'll have to do one thing, and that one thing is using hash. Hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. So our first program, we'll be creating a program for hello world, just to print hello world. For this, I'll have to give a main function that would be void main, and as it is a function, we use this brackets. About this void, I'll teach you in my next tutorials. It displays the data type of my function. What is data type? What are these files? What are the functions? That will be my next tutorial. Today we are just going to see how to create a hello world program. Okay, so for this we'll be writing just one statement, that is printf. This printf statement, about this printf statement, everything is written in this stdio.h file. We'll be seeing these files in the folder. I'll just show you later. We'll use printf double quotes hello world, and always we will be using semicolon at the end. We need getch to get the output, and it's done. You have to save the file using file save as, wherever we want to save. We can just write the name of the file. Here I'll write hello.c because it is a C program. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now to run this file, we can just click here, run, or use Ctrl plus F9. And see, we get hello world. But sometimes if you want to compile before running the program, to check the errors, you can use Alt plus F9 and see there are no errors. Now run the file. We can see hello world written twice. Now why this is written twice? Because we are not clearing the screen. So for that we will be using CLR, SCR. This will clear the screen. Now I'll just compile again. See, no errors, and hello world. So this was only for today's app. Now we'll be seeing where are these files located. So we'll go in C drive, Turbo C4, in that we'll go in TC, in bin. We can see all these files. Some are application files, some are C files. Now also header files are there. Those say here in include folder. See all this with .h. These are all header files. Now we want to see what is stereo.h. We can just click on this file and open this in Notepad, and we see these are the definitions for input and output. All the functions are explained here, what they have to do, what are their data types, everything is explained here. And when we include this file into a program, all these functions are automatically invoked. Okay. Similarly, you can see a library file. What are these library files? I'll just explain you later. What is the compiler? What is the assembler? How to link these files? All I'll be explaining in my next tutorial. So this was all for today.